Hello everyone, welcome back to Logging8 channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Clubhouse application in your laptop. So for that, first of all, you need to open a browser on your PC and open a new tab, and there you need to type in Clubdeck.app and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Clubdeck, where you will be able to download the Clubhouse application. Clubdeck is an unofficial desktop client for the Clubhouse app. Using it, you can access the Clubhouse application on your Windows or Mac computer within a few simple taps. Once you're at the official web page, you will have this option of download for Mac and download for Windows. Click on download for Windows. The setup file for the Clubdeck will begin to download. Once the setup file is downloaded, you tap on the upward menu and click on open. The installation will begin for the Clubdeck. Now once the downloading process and the installation process is completed, open the app and enter your number and click on submit. Here you first click on drop down menu and choose the country code of yours. Then type in the number and then click on submit. Once you do that, you will need to type in the OTP, that is one-time password that has been sent to your phone number from Clubdeck. You type in that number on the text box and you will be easily logged in into the account. Now you will be able to use the Clubhouse app on your PC without any issue. With Clubdeck, you can do pretty much everything you do on Clubhouse mobile app along with the additional features. So this is how you can download and install Clubhouse on your PC. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging8 channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.